Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will do a basic header with mobile version here with burger trigger on EtchWP following this tutorial. Remember that this is a pre-alpha of Etch, so this way maybe on the next time will not be the same because we'll have the element directory on the builder. But for this exercise, let's do and following the tutorial from here. Like the other video, the last video, you see that we do a header manually without a mobile version and media queries. You can do this with custom CSS to do this stuff better, but we will follow now this tutorial with this pre-built template or component here, and let's follow in the tutorial of the dev docs. Remember, if you want to contact with me, you can do on owp.com and start a next project with us. If you are a freelancer developer or you are a designer and need an extra hand on your development, or if you are an agency and need more hands to develop this with Bricks Builder on EtchWP, you can contact with me on owp.com and we will do work for you like white label services. So you can do here and check the pricing on the pricing table and contact with me from this form. Okay, let's do and follow the tutorial. I have an installation here and I will delete all of this style manage that I have before here to not have anything. And the first thing that we need to do here is go to read the documentation, okay, and check what we need to do. We have the nav component and it's divided on 4 parts. HTML is the first one, CSS, JavaScript, and JSON. And the burger trigger for mobile if consists in 3 parts: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, this is the step that we need to follow in to do this. The first thing that we need to do is add the HTML on your header. So let's add the header like we see on the last tutorial. The first thing that we need to do is go to template here on template and go to catch all. This catch all, remember that it's the template that will cover all your site. It's like index.php on the template hierarchy on WordPress, or catch all template in Oxygen. Okay, we'll catch all, we'll wrap all the site, your entire site. So we are here and we need to create the header. So to do that, we need to add a section and change the tag here. Let's add header label, and we need to add our logo, for example. So the first thing that we need to do is add the SVG here, and let's add our SVG. So I have my SVG here. If you see my another tutorial, you will see that on output my SVG is not rendered correctly because maybe it's a bug from Etch, but I reported to them. Let me add again this, and I don't know why this is not copying here. Okay, now it's copied. Good. Now let's follow in this, and we need to convert this header on component, okay? Because EtchWP works as component, the header. It's not like template, so we need to do that. And we need to create the component. So we need to add to a slot in the header inner container. This means that this header, okay, will have something called a slot, that it's like another wrapper component inside your component. It's like a component inside your component, okay, but has this name. So we need to add a content slot here, and this we will have our navigation. Okay, it's like, for example, atomic design. We have some elements inside of another elements. Okay, need to name this as right, this slot. Okay, the name of this slot will be right. Okay, right. And this will be the slot for the right side of your header. Okay, this will be here. The navigation will be this navigation. Okay, and we will not style them. Let's save, and we can exit from the navigation. Okay, and we have now the slot on the header. Okay, so now we can add our elements. So we need to add a flex div here. Okay, and we need to create. We will copy these elements from here directly here. Okay, and this will charge all the elements to the builder. Sorry. Also, we need to do the next thing. We need to replace the div. Okay, it's done. Replace the div with our HTML, and we need to select the nav menu, the structure panel, and add this name. This is important to add and have the same name directly here. Select the nav, and it's already added. This is class, and here on this class we will write our CSS directly here. Okay, the next thing that we need to do is go to the bottom, and in the 5 point the name of the nav menu element is still select. We need to copy our JavaScript directly here on the edge navigation. Okay, and copy the JavaScript. This will do the functionality of the drop down. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is move button. Okay, and click on the right element and create a comp on the edge navigation, right, and create a component. Okay, this will be our basic nav. Okay, this is important that we put the right name here to aim with the JavaScript. Okay, let me put basic nav. It's important, it has the name on camel case. Okay, hi people, on this part of the video I did a mistake here. It's not necessary call this part basic nav. This could be called navigation or whatever you want. It's not important really. Navigation or primary navigation or whatever you want. It's not really important. The rest part of the video you will show here that it's called basic nav. This is for the mistake, but I will not record all the videos. So this video is only to show that the name of this is not important change. The real important thing it's called this as basic nav. You will see later on the video. So enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye. And now we need to create a loop property. Okay, here we will add a loop property. The name will be basic nav. Basic nav. This is important, the name with camel case, to because the HTML will look this specific property. So now we need to choose the basic navigation as a loop here. From here, let's save, and from the component editor too, we need to add a text property. This text property will add also from here. The text will be a nav area label. This is for accessibility. Nav area label. Okay, with camel case. Save the component. Okay, and go out. It's saved. So we need to choose once again nav loop once again from the loop selector in the component attributes panel. So we need to go here and select this Once again, we need to choose basic. Okay, from here, but it's done already. This will be explicitly set the loop, so you are not relaying of the default value. Okay, we will make sure that it's selected that this part. Maybe with the last update it's fixed that. We need set a descriptive area level for the nav component attributes panel. This is important for accessibility. So we need to add something explicit. Nav primary navigation, for example. Okay, so now we already have our header with our basic navigation, but the rest thing that we need to do is the Burger mobile version. To do this component, we need go to this basic nav, is the component that we created before. To the slot right, we go to here, and we need to copy this text, this HTML, and go to this basic nav tag and copy to there. So with that, we will have this prepared, and we need add this CSS to our Burger class. So we need to remove that, and here you can copy and paste, and this is the JavaScript we need to paste also on EtchWP class. And the other thing that we need to do is do a right click on the element and create this component, EtchWP. Create a component, Burger mobile, to set this with the right name, Burger mobile. And also you can add a text prop to set the area level. Okay, I will set on this component the prop text. Okay, and I will put area label and set this prop. Go to exit, and now this should be have the text area level. Okay, save, and now it's set it. Okay, now it has the area level. Okay, save the component and set a descriptive area level for the Burger component panel. This is important for accessibility. So this is Burger menu, or we can put open menu, open mobile menu. Now we need to set our navigation. We need to go to the loop manager here, this tab, and click on the basic nav loop. Okay, it's this one, this loop. It's called EtchWP because we can see what loop we have already created and managed from them. Now we need to edit the JSON to set our configuration navigation. So we will take this example that we did in our last video, and this will be, for example, about features. These children, it's, for example, the dropdown that it's set. Item 2 will be features, for example, and we'll put it feature drop down 1, and this will be feature drop down 2. The item 2 will be pricing in this example, pricing, pricing 1 and 4. Okay, also we have the gallery. This should be go to gallery, and this is the team. we'll go to the team. I will save. So now if we go to the front end, we will check that we already have our feature dropdown working, okay, with the links. And if we go to mobile version, we will see that we have it also our burger menu working too. Okay, so this is done for now. The only thing that you need rest to do is do the styles here, okay? If you go to the nav, you will see all these elements set as variables, and you can change it and change also the child of them, and start to style like you wanna to do. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe or comment what do you think about this methodology, or if you need another tutorial or has any problem, let me know and comment below. See you soon.